have code B2006 and B2007. I've seen a lot of videos about hose cracks or the intake manifold sensor. I checked all hoses, even the one is around here to the bottom is good. All this is good. I checked everything. I checked the connector here. He says you're gonna have to check 1 and 3, and you're gonna have to have 5-volt this connector for the intake manifold sensor, and the other side too, same thing. With avometer you gotta check 1 and 3. 1 and 3. You can see the numbers in here. 1 and 3. You gotta have to have 5 volts, and then you're gonna check 2 and 3 with the ohm. You're gonna have to have like 40 to 44 ohm, and with the ignition on, you check the voltage, and with the ignition off you check the ohm on 2 and 3, 40 to 44 ohm. And so the connector was fine, and I checked the sensor was okay, so hoses and sensor was okay, and I'm still looking for the problem, and here's what I found. You can see this gasket in the bottom. See this crack in here? This one is open from the middle, both sides. That's one leaking. So what I found, you can see this black line all around. What I see in here is a crack all around. See that crack right there? And you can see between them. This side is fine, and that side you got a crack all around it. So you can see this gasket, the new one, how it look like, and look at that one here, how it look like. So make sure you check all hoses and connector, the wiring, this sensor too, and you gotta check this arm right here. This gate's moving on both of them, and then you gotta put your finger in here. Need to check this valve, and if you open that valve, put your finger on this hole, you'll see that it's not moving, and if you leave your finger So that's mean it's holding vacuum. So if you put your finger in there and this one open, that's mean the valve is bad, and if it's not open, that's mean you don't have leaks, so the valve is good. That's what I found. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.